Hello, today we are going to start with practice set 6.1 answers with explanation. Okay, just see the first example of practice set 6.1 financial planning. Alka spends 90% of the money that she receives every month and saves rupees 120. She uh, she she get every month a particular amount. She spend 90% of it, okay, and she saves rupees 120 at the end of the month. So how much money does she get every month? So what we have to find, the money she got every month. Okay, chalo, let's go through the explanation. First we have to firstly we have to uh, let the total money be rupees x. Yes, so we have to write the consideration first. Yes, let's start the solution. Let the total money she get every month be x. We considered that money rupees x. Yes, she spends 90% of it. She spends 90% of rupees x. So how will we write? 90 upon 100 of x, which is equal to 90x upon 100. This is the rupees she spend every month. She saves rupees 120. Yes, so by formula total money she get minus expenses is equal to savings. Total money she get x minus expenses 90x upon 100 is equal to 120. First we have to do subtraction. Here there is no denominator. Yes, so while doing addition subtraction of a fraction, you have to do same denominator. Yes, you have to make same denominator. So here you want 100, and if we multiply denominator by 100, compulsory we have to multiply numerator by 100. Okay, so 100x upon 100 minus 90x upon 100 is equal to 120. 100x minus 90x is 10x upon 100 is equal to 120. 100 moves to the another side of is equal to sign. It's divided by 100 will become multiplication. 10x is equal to 120 into 100. Now next step, x is equal to 120 into 100 upon 10. Yes. Now 10 multiplied by 100 move to the another side of is equal to sign. Therefore x is equal to this and this. 100 divided by 10 is 10. 120 into 10 is 1200. Therefore Alka get rupees 1200 every month. Are you getting? Okay, chalo, next move to the second example. See the example. Sumit borrowed a capital of rupees 50,000 to start his food business, and in first year he suffered a loss of 20% that he invested in the food business. He invested a remaining capital. After loss of 20%, Sumit still having some money and that remaining capital in new sweet business, and he made a profit of 5% on that remaining capital. Then how much was his profit or loss computed on his original capital? Original capital means 50,000. So what we have to find is, did he make profit or loss on this 50,000? Yes? Okay, chalo. We have to start with the given data. Then we have to find the loss on 50,000. Okay, let's start. Given data, Sumit borrowed for his food business is equal to rupees 50,000. Yes, loss first year. Yes, first year losses 10%. Sorry, 20%. Yes, first year losses 20% of 50,000. Therefore, 20 upon 100 into 50,000. 50,000 is this. 50,000 is numerator and this is denominator 100. So we can remove these two zeros. 20 into 500 is rupees 10,000. Yes, loss is 10,000. Remaining money or remaining capital, we can use the word capital also, is equal to rupees 50,000 minus rupees 10,000, which is equal to rupees 40,000. Yes, so he invested rupees 40,000 in which business? New sweet business. Sumit invested rupees 40,000 in his new sweet business. Yes, you have to write down these sentences while solving. These are very important sentences and you have to write it down the way I am writing, step by step. Yes, you have to underline the answers you found. Yes, these are the answers we found. So you have to underline. Sumit invested rupees 40,000 in his new sweet business and profit on 40,000 is 10%. Sorry, 5%. Yes, therefore 5 upon 100 into 40,000. Same, 400 into 5 is 2,000. So he made a profit. He made profit on new food business, a sweet business, is equal to rupees 2,000. Yes. Now new capital will be after profit. New capital is equal to rupees 40,000 plus rupees 2,000. Yes, this is the new capital which is equal to rupees 42,000. But now still this 42,000 is less than the original capital 50,000. So there is a still loss and we have to find out the loss percentage. Are you getting? Okay. Now next step. Now what is original capital? It's 50,000. Original capital is equal to rupees 50,000 and new capital after doing sweet business is equal to rupees 42,000. Therefore, loss is equal to 50,000 minus rupees 42,000, which is equal to rupees 8,000. Now we have to find out the loss percent. Therefore, loss percent is equal to loss upon original capital into 100, which is equal to, what is loss? 8,000 upon 50,000 into 100. 80 divided by 5 is 16. Yes, these two zeros get cancelled, because this is on numerator and this is in denominator. These two zeros and these two zeros get cancelled. What's remain? 80 upon 5. 80 divided by 5, which is equal to 16%. Therefore, you have to write down the last answer. His capital after new sweet business is equal to rupees 42,000 and loss is equal to 16%. Yes, are you getting? Chalo, let's go to the next example. Third example. Nikhil spent 5% of his monthly salary or monthly income on his children's education. Okay. He invested 14% in shares and deposited 3% in a bank and 40% for his daily expenses. So he was left with the balance of rupees 19,000. After doing all the expenses, he left 19,000. Then what was his income that month? Okay, so we have to find out the monthly income of Nikhil. Okay, let's do it. Let the monthly income of Nikhil be X. Yes, we have to consider it to be as X, rupees X. First, what he did, 5% of his monthly income on the children. We have to add all the expenses first of all. Okay, his expenses is equal to children's education plus shares, yes, plus bank plus daily expenses. Yes, what we get, which is equal to 5% plus 14%, yes, plus 3% plus 40%. Add these, 5 plus 14 plus 3 plus 40 is equal to 62%. His total expenses of a month is 62%. We consider monthly income is X. So this is total expenses. Total expenses is total expenses on monthly salaries, rupees X of 60 upon 100. 62 upon 100, which is equal to 62x upon 100 rupees. This is his total expenses. Now what is the formula? By formula, total income minus expenses expenses is equal to balance. Yes, total income is x minus expenses is 62x upon 100 is equal to 19,000. 19,000 is his monthly balance. We have to do this first. Here there is nothing but 1. Denominator is 1. We have to do it 100 and we have to multiply denominator to 100 and numerator by 100. So what we get? 100x upon 100 minus 62x upon 100 is equal to 19,000. Therefore 100x minus 62x is 38x upon 100 is equal to 19,000. Therefore 38x is equal to 19,000 into 100 divided by 100. Move to the other side of is equal to sign, changes its sign. Yes, divided by 100 become multiplied by 100. Therefore x is equal to 19,000 into 100 upon 38. Why 38? Why 38? Because this multiplied by 38 move to the another side of is equal to sign become divided by 38. Now let's divide it by 2. It's 19 and this is divided by 2. 19,000 divided by 2. 2 9s are 18. 1 0, 2 5s are 10, 0 0. 9,500 into 100. 19 ones are 19, 500. 19 into 500 is 95,000. Now x is equal to 500 into 100 is 50,000. Yes, but what is x? Therefore, Nikhil's monthly income is rupees 50,000. Yes, are you getting? This is you have to done correct. It's compulsory. If you do something wrong over here, the whole answer will be wrong. So you have to do calculations perfectly over here. Okay? Chalo, next move to the next example. Very easy. Next example. Mr. Sayyed kept rupees 40,000 in a bank at 8% of compound interest. Yes? For 2 years. He kept rupees 40,000 for 2 years at the 8% of compound interest. What Mr. Fernandez does, he invested rupees 1,20,000 in the mutual fund. And after 2 years, he got rupees 1,92,000. Then whose investment turned out to be more profitable? Profitable investment. Whose investment is more profitable, they ask. Okay, let's find out the total profit of Mr. Sayyed. Okay, in percentage. We have to find it out in a percentage. Let's see. For Mr. Sayyed, here principal amount. First we have to calculate compound interest. Yes. So firstly we have to write down the formula, and according to the formula, principal amount P is equal to 40,000. Yes, rate of interest R is equal to 8%, and number of years, time N is equal to 2 years. Therefore, compound interest is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N minus Yes, this is the formula for compound interest. Let's put the values. P is 40,000. 1 plus 8 upon 100 bracket square minus 1 bracket complete, which is equal to 40,000. 1 plus 8 upon 100. 1 plus 8 upon 100 is equal to 100 upon 100 plus 8 upon 100. What we have done? This 1, there is nothing in the denominator, so we multiply denominator and numerator by 100. So what happens? Denominator gets same, and 100 plus 8 is 100. 108 upon 100 bracket square minus 1, which is equal to 40,000 into, let's remove the brackets first. 40,000 into 108 upon 100 bracket square minus 40,000 into 1 is 40,000. So which is equal to 40,000 into 108 upon 100 into 108 upon 100 minus 40,000. 108 into 108 is equal to 108 into 108 is equal to 11,664. Let's remove these zeros first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 gets cancelled. This done only in multiplication, okay, not in addition and subtraction. You cannot eliminate these zeros with this minus 40,000. You have to eliminate with multiplied by 40,000 also, only. 4 into 108 into 108 is square of 108 is 11,664 minus 40,000 is equal to 46,656 minus 40,000. Do the multiplication of 11,664 into 4. You will get the answer 46,656. Then minus 40,000. Answer is 6,656. After 4 years, Mr. Sayyed get this amount. 2 years, Mr. Sayyed get this amount as a interest. Yes. Now we have to find out the percentage of it. Yes. What is the profit percentage he made? So what we have to do? Profit percentage is equal to profit upon principal amount or cost value into 100. What is the profit? 6,656. On which amount? 40,000 into 100. These two zeros get cancelled. Okay, 6,656 upon 400. Let's divide it by 4. 6,656 divided by 4. 1,664 upon 100, which is equal to 16.64 percentage. Yes, this is the profit percent Mr. Sayyed made. Okay, now let's go to the Mr. Fernandez. Let's move to the Mr. Fernandez. For Mr. Fernandez, principal amount is 1,20,000. Time period is 2 years, and principal okay, let's for Mr. Fernandez. Total money he invested is 1,20,000. After 2 years, Mr. Fernandez get rupees 1,92,000. So what is profit? 1,92,000 minus 1,20,000. Yes, sir. Therefore, the profit is 72,000. Now we have to find out the profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit upon cost value into 100. Profit is 72,000 on 1,20,000. This is the base value, or we can say that the cost value, okay, into 100. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 get cancelled. This one and this one get cancelled. 12 ones are 12, 6 are 72. 6 into 10 is 60%. Yes, so you can clearly find out that Mr. Fernandez investment is more profitable than the Mr. Sayyad. So you have to write down the last answer. Therefore, Mr. Fernandez investment is more profitable than the investment made by Mr. Sayyad. Yes, okay. Chalo, this is the final answer. You have to write compulsory. This contains half mark. If you didn't write, your half mark get cancelled. You will not get half mark. Okay, so this answer is very important. Are you getting? Okay, chalo. Next question number 5. Samira spent 90% of her income and donated 3% for socially useful causes. She now if she left with rupees 1750 rupees at the end of the month, what was her actual income? So we have to consider the monthly income of Samira be X. Samira's monthly income be rupees X. Now what are her total expenses is 90% plus 3% means what? 93% of monthly income, which is equal to 93% of X, because we consider monthly income as X, which is equal to 93 upon 100 into X, which is equal to rupees 93x upon 100. This is her monthly expenses. Now we have to find out the monthly income, and the remaining amount is given at the end of the month is 1750. So by formula income minus expenses is equal to remaining amount. Income is X, expenses is 93x upon 100, which is equal to 1750. We have to do this is you have to multiply this side, numerator and denominator, by 100. You will get 100x upon 100 minus 93x upon 100 is equal to 1750. Therefore 100x minus 93x is 7x upon 100 is equal to 1750. 7x is equal to 1750 into 100. This 100 moves to the divided by 100 moves to the another side of is equal to sign, it become multiplied by 100. Therefore x is equal to 1750 into 100 upon 7. This multiplied by 7 move to the another side of is equal to sign become divided by 7. Therefore 1750 divided by 7. Yes, 1750 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14, 3, 5, 7 5s are 35, 0 and this 0. 250. 250 into 100 is 25,000. Yes. So we got the value of X, which is monthly income of Samira. Therefore, the final answer, Samira's monthly income is rupees 25,000. Yes, are you getting? Here the practice set 6.1 is completed. Let's move to the next concept. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.